Hello again. Just wanted to show you a few of the upgrades I've done to the Rover since version 1.0. I think we can call this version 1.1. As you see, it's been some obvious add-ons. Most recently I've added a small box here to control some of the power. Basically just a couple of switches to power the motor shield on top and the Arduino board just down the bottom of this stack, just to make power management easier. I've also added a prototyping area, and what I did to get all that to happen was I sandwiched in a little board in the middle there. I don't know if you can see it very well with this, but it's a board in there, and I've added some extra little headers to allow me to easily access the analog pins on this board. So I can use analog inputs such as a few of these little things here. So still I've got a little switch there, but that's not the coolest thing. I'll show you that in a moment. So I can control things as they were. Before I had to plug it in and it would power straight away, but now I can change things around a bit. So Arduino on, motor shield on. Okay, and I've got a little tactile button here just to get things rolling. So if you press that, she turns a bit. But that's not the coolest thing. This little guy here, I've been playing around all day, is an infrared receiver, and it takes information and dumps it in to the board from a little remote control, and it controls the robot. So here we'll have a bit of a play as to see what happens. So just spin it around. Unfortunately, it is infrared, so it is a line of sight. I should be able to do a bit of a spin. Oop. Nope, that was forward. Alright, let's do 5 as the spin, if we can find. There we go. How cool is that? Alrighty, let's see if we can go forward. If we can find the receiver. There it is. Should be able to come backwards as well. Hey. I'm turning, and turning, and forward. So at the moment, which is pretty basic, just forward and backwards, just 1 second, so the increments. Yeah. So that's version 1.1. Looking pretty cool. The next thing is to get it to control a bit more like you'd expect a car to control. Instead of just because you don't drive forward in 1 second blocks and stop for a second, and a second block and then stop for a second. We just don't do that. So next thing is to make it a bit smoother and also add some collision detection with some ultrasonic sensors, hopefully. Anyway, this is me signing off. I hope you enjoyed the little car.